Wise provides local bank details, including an IBAN for Euro or USD balances, to receive payments like a traditional bank account. This is available to verified users in the EEA. The IBAN starts with your country code followed by Wise's details and your unique account number. No extra fees. Details generate instantly after opening a Euro or USD balance. Prerequisites: verified Wise account, ID upload selfie. Takes 1 to 2 days if new. Open a Euro or USD balance, free. Steps: log in, open the Wise app or Wise.com. Sign in with email, PR, phone plus password. Access: balances, tap home, balances, or open a balance if none. Open EUR balance. If not active, click Open a balance. Select EUR or USD. Add confirms in seconds. View details. Tap the EUR or USD balance. Click Account Details or Share Details, I icon. Copy IBAN. Under Bank Details, find IBAN. Tap Copy or Screenshot. Also note BIC and SWIFT. Tips: share via PDF or email for payers. For other currencies, repeat for GBP, sort code, USD, routing number. Issues: chat support 24/7 or check wise.com/help.